Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the Razzled Heart Tea. So I'm starting with some collagen. I'm adding some raspberry tea. I'm adding some raspberry lemonade stevia, some strawberry, and I'm adding some cranberry aloe, some strawberry watermelon Mio, and then I'm gonna mix that up really good. Add some ice, and then I'm gonna add my pomegranate liftoff. I'm gonna add some more ice and add some water, and then I'm gonna top it with some blue raspberry stevia. That's it. That's how you make the Razzled Heart. Thanks for watching.